Hey, welcome to this tutorial. If by this time you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? So visit youtube.com/c/braintem.org, then pan to the right and hit on the subscribe button, alright, and join the subscribe gang, alright. So the next thing we're gonna do is to make sure that the user can select a state from their profile. So if you go to user profile, you can be able to select a state when the user is editing their profile. The user hits on edit button. They can, just like the way they select country, they can select a state. And then we can make sure that we have list of states here, because admin should be able to see list of all states and see all users that belong in all states, okay? So first of all, we'll go back to this and make sure that we just do it exactly the way we treated countries. We go first of all to the user profile and make sure in the view, this is view, okay, not the view, sorry, make sure that in the edit, just like we're pulling the list of countries, we should put the list of states too. So I'm just going to call this states and states, because it's a list of states. So we're going to call this variable and make sure that we pass it into the view when it is being passed at the bottom here. So we simply, the way we're passing countries, we can pass states too. I'm just going to call this states, and I'm going to give this arrow, and I'm going to give states. Then I'm going to put a comma here, and we're good to go. Now the next thing we're going to do is to make sure that states is imported here. So just the way we imported country, we should just say use app models state, and this solves our problem. The next thing we're going to do is that we're going to go to the view to make sure that from the view we list all the states. So we are in the edit, and in the edit we created a country. In the edit we have not in the state, sorry, in the edit of the user edit, where they're editing their profile, we created a list of countries. So we just duplicate it and convert it to a list of states. So we just duplicate and make sure that every occurrence of country here is changed to state. Select state, and the value is state. The value is state. I'm just going to copy state, country, states, and the value is state, and the error here is error.state, error.name. So here we're going to say error.name, just to make sure that everything works well. Okay, so it seems to have everything working well for us right now. So what we're going to do is to make sure that when we refresh our edit page, that a state appears here. So it's refreshing right now, and of course select country, select states appears here. So we're just going to put state above the country, and then we're good to go. So we just put states above country, and we're good to go. So the next thing we're going to do is to make sure that in the navigation, templates, navigation, in the list of countries, we're going to add list of states. So we'll just say all states, and we're going to say states index. So that way we have everything we want in live sorted. So list of states will now show here. Everything has refreshed. So as you can see, list of states, and admin can see it in the admin menu. So that pretty much solves our problem with states and countries. So our new job applicants can now select country and select states. So in the next video, we will look at how they can add their skills and post projects that they are interested in. Okay, see you in the next video. I hope you're enjoying this so far, and like and subscribe and share this video so that your friends who are interested will learn how to code advanced websites with PHP.